Hello, let me introduce how to connect Everhour and Deel together. Everhour is a time tracking tool that allows you to manage timesheets of your employees and contractors. And Deel is a great payroll system where you can manage payroll for your employees. So if you combine and pair these two tools, you will be able to send your Everhour timesheets directly to Deel to calculate the pay for employees. So to connect these tools together, you need to be an admin in your Everhour team. Then you go to a special integration page. You first open Settings, then choose Integration, Add Integration. Here you just click to connect Deel, and if you're authorized in your Deel account, you will be connected immediately. If not, you just need to provide your credentials. And after you do that, you will see additional Deel tab appearing on the left side of your Everhour account. When you go here, you can see your previous imports and exports and create a new export. Just click on New Export. You have a choice from members list, include their period, and choose the contract. So when it's done, you see all time entries, which you can quickly check, and also you have some options here. You can export it as it is, so all entries that you see will be exported unchanged, or you can choose to export one entry per day, so it just collapses all time per day. Then you have an option to group time by project, task, or project and task name. So when this all is chosen, click to export to Deel. It may take some minutes. So once it's completed, you can go to your Deel page and check the time tracking tab of your employee. So if you go here and open this tab, you will see hours exported from Everhour and added to the timesheet of this user, so you can work with them here. Once time is added, it cannot be exported twice, so if you need to change it, you'll have to delete it in Deel and then delete an export in Everhour and make it again. And by the way, if you delete an export in Everhour, it doesn't delete these time entries in Deel. So that's how it works in general. Please let us know if you have any questions by emailing us at ask@everhour.com.